Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is me Babita Chaudhary Kasana and I hope you all are doing well. First of all, I would like to take out a moment and should thank you all for supporting me, for appreciating my hard work. Thank you so much. Thanks for your comments, thanks for all your love which you have showered on me. So I'm really blessed and grateful to all of you. This video is all about Myntra's haul. Actually, I have purchased few products lately. By products I mean few dresses and few kurti. Actually, according to me, they are versatile pieces. You can style them as kurtis, as dresses, and as per your convenience. So if you want to see them, without delaying, let's get started. First dress I would like to show you is this. This is a yellow and white striped dress. So yeah, as you can see, you got a tie-up. You can tie it at your waist, and then there's a slightly a slit which you can see now. I'll insert a picture of this dress for sure, and it comes with short sleeves, elasticated sleeves, and a elasticated waist. It has an elastic at front also to give you a good fit. So it is a very beautiful dress. The fabric of this dress is cotton, 100% cotton. The fabric is really smooth, very summer appropriate fabric. And yeah, it doesn't have any pockets. Yeah, it has pockets too. So yeah, it's a very beautiful purchase. I really like this dress. I have tried this. I didn't style it yet, but I have tried this and it was looking so very beautiful. So this is from Must and Harbor and in the size medium, and it fits me beautifully, as you can see. Yeah, so a very beautiful fabric. The next kurti is from the brand Vishuddh. It is in the size large. It's quite loose on me because medium size I think was not available at that time, but I really liked it. It has bell sleeves and there's a cut also. It has a print, a white kind of a print, and few hangings also here when this print ends. And it's a regular fit kind of a kurta which you can style up with your leggings, with a white dupatta, or with some oxidized jewelry as I'm wearing right now. So yeah, it will look very beautiful. So a very good purchase. The fabric is 100% cotton. Beautiful piece to style for your office, for your daily wear, anything, whichever way you want to style it. So the next dress is again from the brand Must and Harbor. Also comes with a tie-up at front. So yeah, you can tie it at front or you can tie it at your back like this. It is a t-shirt dress, so the fabric of this dress is of t-shirt only, and it comes with half sleeves. A very beautiful and full length dress which you can style anywhere if you are going to market or going for brunch with your friends or anywhere else. It also comes with the pocket, which is the best part about this. So you can easily carry your mobile, some cash in it, and it has collars like a t-shirt, and some button detailing is also there. It's up to you if you want to close them or keep them open. So yeah, even you can wear a belt along with this to make it more smarter. It's a very comfortable fabric for summer, so I recommend that you should also go and try this dress if you can, because it's affordable too. The next dress is from the brand W, and yeah, it has some embroidery at the neck. As you can see, this is all embroidered, and it has a string also. It comes with regular 3/4 sleeves with some lace work or the patchwork you can call it. And yeah, at the front it has this kind of a print, very floral, very summery, and the colors are beautiful though, you know, light and dark. This combination looks so very pretty. And the best part about this dress is it comes with a different back. See, It comes with a blue print over it at the back, and it looks so very pretty. So you can style this as a kurti also when you'll wear it with a legging or a dupatta, or otherwise you can wear it as a dress only. I have already styled it with a blue belt, so I'll insert my picture somewhere here so you can see that. And fabric is very much comfortable. It is also of cotton. So this is from the brand W, which we can easily trust, and we are wearing this brand from the longest time, I can say. So yeah, a very beautiful piece from W. The next piece is again from the brand W. This is a very nice dress. You can also, again, you can style it as a kurti. It has an embroidery on the neckline, as you can see. I hope the camera is catching. Yeah. And it is from, it comes with the tag of Liva. That means it is natural fluid fashion. Yeah, a very comfortable kurti to wear and to style for. It has a foil print at the bottom, as you can see. So it comes with a regular 3/4 sleeves. It has embroidery on the sleeves also, and it comes with a tie-up. Though you can tighten up your waist with this tie-up just to just to enhance the look of this kurti. So my size in W kurtis is 10. So yeah, it fits me perfectly. The next purchase of mine is this piece which I'm wearing right now. This is a dress from the brand Athena, and actually I really like this brand. Somehow they have some very different and very unique and trendy styles in their collection, so you should definitely check that brand out. I have tried this. I've earlier also wore a dress from Athena only on my birthday, so it was a very beautiful dress. But in this dress, the only drawback is it's not that comfortable because the fabric is quite synthetic. Otherwise, look wise, if you'll ask me, it is very beautiful. I'll show you the tie-up also. It comes up with a tie-up like this. So yeah, it looks so very pretty. I'll insert a picture of this. I'm loving it though. If I'll talk about the fabric, the quality is not that great, but yeah, if you prefer styling more than comfort, so you can go for it. Or otherwise, in a season like spring, you can definitely wear it comfortably. In summers, it will not that much appropriate. And if you have a good height around 5'6", 5'7", then only invest in it, because it is quite long, and if you are shorter, then you have to get it altered. So it's absolutely depends upon you. But if you'll ask about me, I really like this dress. The next thing which I purchased from Myntra is this bag. This bag is from the brand Caprese. It's a very beautiful bag. It comes with a single compartment at the above. The chains, everything is very sturdy, and inside you will get 2 compartments again to keep your stuff. Very sturdy chain, and comes with a back compartment. So in this you can keep your keys, your sanitizer or your wipes easily. And the beauty about this bag is that it has this embroidery surface. It's not a print, it's embroidery, and it's look really very pretty. Yes, you can hold a lot of stuff in this because the size is absolutely perfect. It has a leather straps also. So yeah, a very beautiful purchase. I really liked it. This bag is from Caprese. So okay guys, that's it for today, and I hope you like my video, and if you do so, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Be kind and keep inspiring. Thank you so much for watching. I shall see you in my next one. Bye bye.